What's up everybody, this is Carl from Abundant Living Ecuador, and today we are putting this little video together with miscellaneous footage that I had on my phone. I thought some of it you might find interesting, and we're starting with Jesse Bayer, who recently just bought this beautiful motorcycle. It's a Chinese bike, but it's one of the higher quality ones. The brand I believe is Longsin, and check out what Jesse did the day he got his bike.
Oh! No way! No way! No way, dude! You did not! Oh! Oh God!
So this is Jesse's motorcycle. The gear shift here was broken. This piece fell off, so they welded another one. And that was a total of how much?
Dude, I mean, it's like a great insight into stuff here.
Yes.
So like, not only, like, I don't even think back home they would weld anything to fix anything on like a vehicle.
Right.
They would just charge you for a new part, which would be like $150 or something, plus labor. And you'd be out. This would cost you like a week and like a few $100. So we brought the piece because I'm an expert motorcycle rider. And since I didn't fall my first try at all, this piece didn't break. And so when this piece didn't break, we didn't bring it here in our hand.
Okay.
And that one broke. And asked them, you know, and he's like, oh, I'll weld it. And he said it would take 10 minutes.
Yeah.
This is like 4 days later because I haven't come, but I'm sure it did take the 10 minutes that he said. And it's $2.
$2 to weld this together. That makes sense.
Yep. So now,
and in all fairness, he could have charged you a lot more.
oh,
Like
sure.
he could have said $10 or something, right?
Yeah.
Like,
I mean, I wouldn't know at that point that he's kind of going.
Right. Yeah.
But and now you're gonna ride it up to my house.
I will.
I don't want to fall over it for the second time before I learn how to use this thing.
I'll do it. And you'll be driving my truck. All right. And this here, by the way, is Vilca Motos. Pepe Rojas is the mechanics here, and if you have a motorcycle you need to get it fixed, come over here. As you can see, they're fixing an engine right here for. There you go. Gracias, hasta luego.
So this is how you ride a motorcycle.
Alright, so I've got these shoes here that are broken. As you can see, pretty beat up actually, but I love these shoes. They're so comfortable and they're really good for hiking. Anyways, I'm here at the shoe guy. He's got a lot of shoes that he's repairing, and he's gonna fix those for me. The other one here has a little something in the right here. So he said he's gonna fix it all, so we'll see. I'll come back next week and see how much it costs. Alright, check it out. It was all sewn up. Here is fixed as well. And believe it or not, $3 for all of this. And real quick, just to give you an idea, we have the town square right here. You walk up the street, and right over here, we have the gentleman here who fixes shoes. He even makes leather shoes as well. Alright, so we're here at the Abundant Living office with gorgeous Monica and handsome Pedro, and I'm about to show you guys how to open a coconut with a kitchen knife. Pedro, will you please?
All right, let me film you real quick.
So basically, if you only have this as a tool and you have a coconut, the best way to do this, and not all coconuts are created equal, by the way. Not all coconuts are created equal. Some of them are a little thicker, like they're a little bit older, so they get woodier, they get harder, right? Basically what you want to do is put your knife right in here and pop up the top, just like that. You see here, you have a nice little circle. Basically, it's a little bit softer around here, and you can poke a hole straight through the coconut. So what I would do in this case, I would kind of go like this, and basically go around in a circle and get that stuff out of the way. Just like this. Now basically we're a little further in, and then there's a little soft spot right here. Boom! Now we're basically in, right? So just like that. A little triangle. Poke the hole, and there it is. We can now easily put a straw through the hole of this coconut. I'll show you with a pen just to prove it. The pen goes all the way through, and you can basically now drink your coconut with a straw. Oh, there's a straw right there. There happens to be a straw laying around. So do that, and basically enjoy a fresh coconut here in Vilcabamba, Ecuador. I'm just here in Vilcabamba. There is a meat shop right across from my office. Carnes, this up there. And they have quite a bit of variety, and actually I don't buy a lot here, but I'm actually going to start coming more often. They have seafood, they have a lot of beef product as well, chicken. Let me show you guys. Here we have some octopus, corvina, albacore tuna. This is fish steak, some shrimp, mixto, a bunch of different types of fish. They even have salmon and other things. And here you have your beef products, different cuts of beef, and they have prices. You know, this is $6. Here you have some T-bone and ribeye steaks. You know, this is a kind of T-bone for $2.60. This one's a ribeye for $1.90. It's pretty good. Got some other types of steak, some pork down below, I believe. And here you have costilla, some ribs, just bones, and a few other things. Carne suave. They have some ground beef up above, whole chicken as well. Anyways, just a lot of varieties here. And what I bought 2 pounds of ground beef, $2.50 a pound, and some of these little T-bone steaks for $2.20 each, like 2 of those. And it's definitely a good spot to check out. They also have some sauces and other things here, and it's literally right across our office here in Vilcabamba. Let me show you. Here we have the Abundant Living Ecuador office. There's the Chifa. That store right here is really nice, called Fruti Vida. They sell different types of fruits. There's a delicious Belgium chocolate shop right over here. Another organic store. And right next door here we have the pinchos or asados, where they make, you know, ribs and chicken wings and a whole bunch of other things. And these are my hyperactive kids. Let's go kids, we're going. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel right here. Check out our real estate channel right here for content that you will absolutely love. Click right here. And if you want to know how we got here, click here.